Hello student, in this video we will try to cover the solutions which different economic problem serves, that is the solutions to the basic economic problems under the different economic system. In the previous classes we have already discussed that there are three economic systems, that is capitalistic economic system and the socialistic economic system and the mixed economic system. Now, the problem which we face in the capitalistic economic system is about what to produce or what quantity should be produced. So, the answer straight away comes that it depends up to the demand of the consumer, it depends up to the supply of the consumer which has to be produced. So, under the capitalistic economic system, the price mechanisms gives the solutions to the economic problem. So what do you mean by price mechanism? Price mechanism is the system where the demand and supply itself gives the answer about the economic problem that prevails in the economic system, that is especially in the capitalistic economic system. Now then the next is how to produce. The very first problem was what to produce. What to produce? The answer comes the things which consumer wants that should be produced in the capitalistic economic system where the private ownership prevails. Then second question or the second problem of an economy is how to produce. How to produce, that means which method of production should be choose, which method of production must be selected. So in the capitalistic economic system, the method which is cheap and which will increase the profit margin, which will maximize the profit margin and which will reduce the cost of production of producer, that must be selected. It is well known that there are two methods of production that can be selected by the entrepreneur, like labor intensive and capital intensive. So the method which is cheap for the producer, that must be selected. So this is the answer of second problem in the capitalistic economy. Now the third economic problem is for whom to produce. For whom to produce refers to from which section of the society with the production should be made. So the process of production of the goods and income are automatically determined. That means with the help of price mechanism, it is automatically determined only in the capitalistic economy, not in any other economy. Only in the capitalistic economy it is determined. So in the capitalistic economy हमें किसके लिए प्रोडक्शन करना है? To whom we have to produce? Only to who can give the income, or who can give the money, or who can able to assess, or who can able to purchase the product. For whom, for them only we will produce. We will not think about the poor section of the society, we will not think about the medium section of the society or the middle section of the society. We will just think about the people who can produce, who can afford our production. Reminded student, we are talking only about the capitalistic economy, not any other economy. We are not talking about the socialistic economy, we are not talking about the mixed economy. We are here taking the problem or the economic problem only concerning to the capitalistic economy. So that was the capitalistic economy. Again in the revision kind of thing, we will study that again there are three questions which you will find, that what to produce in the capitalistic economy. So we must produce those goods which are demanded by the consumer. The answer comes which are demanded by the consumer. Then the next thing is for how to produce, that means for which method of production should be adopted by the capitalistic economy. The production which the production or the technique which is cheapest and which will give the maximum profit margin to the producer, that must be selected. You all know that there are two methods of production, labor intensive and capital intensive. Whatsoever is cheap for the economy, that must be selected. And then the last question, for whom to produce, that must be produced. The goods must be produced, or the productive resources must be produced for the in the capitalistic economy for those who can afford to purchase. We don't take care in the capitalistic economy about the lower section of the society, because these things have to be taken care in the other socialistic and in the mixed economic structure, that we will discuss in the later on classes or in the next video. That must be reminded again and again that there are three different economic system in the that prevails in the world, that is the capitalistic economy, socialistic economy and the mixed economic structure. And India is operating at a mixed economic system, as we have already covered this in the last chapters. And mixed economic system has the capability and has the merits of both the capitalistic and socialistic economic system. So in the next video we'll cover the other economic problems, or these three major economic problems in the socialistic economy as well as in the mixed economic system. Thank you.